darok tuin gadual mila karam limuro yul limuro unde limuro yolŋu kawanangoy limuro kabulungay dual yolŋu matta nakon yurtongoro ngaye dalpapoy ngoli kalachuare yun kurukuro ngaye kamango chila karam ngorong ikan nakon limurong unde limuro yolŋu ka romir limuro pongolmer ka gororto kawanga boyiral ka mirilibo angulong ibilian nakon darok to yolŋu matay bile yolŋu matta dual lukko jalkere ngoli kana kon damanapan jama mirin yolŋoin ngola jama ngurmala palanya idi ngai nakon dual idi ga lukko ner panawi ngai dalrom limurong mangitinya raw tuan jangon di yolŋu matay limurong yolŋu walalang Galok ko nirpanawi nga idalrom limurong margitinya raw tuan jangon ni Yolŋu matany limurong Yolŋu walalang.
Yo, aranya ku Baykali Ganambarr kadual dari William Gumbula dol kaliwin kongor Grand Final 2022 Bulian Jaka Kangaroo versus Eagles.
A really special day today actually. I'm kind of pinching myself that we're finally here. It's been a long journey. I haven't seen these boys, the footy crew, we haven't been back together since we did the Brisbane final game last year, and now we're here in the start of our journey to Dreamtime at the G, calling the game here in Gullywinkle, to be heard all across East Arnhem Land and Darwin. It's a pretty special moment, to be honest. Yeah.
Yo, and the Kangaroos jamok underdogs Lana Muñiz score when you're lang first grand final in a long time. I don't know how to get to a grand final now.
I'll tell you right now, they have not missed a beat. They are straight on it, straight away, which we love to see. They blend with each other like so perfectly well. It's kind of like yin and yang. Baykali is the entertainer and Willie's the analyst, and yeah, they've done a really good job today. The one special thing about this place is how prominent and how important language is. So any event or activity, whether it be art, sport, education, any opportunity to put that in Yolŋu Matta, that's what we're all about at Arts in Yolŋu Radio. And doing this here in front of a crowd of at least 1,000 people to be heard right across in all the outstations and major communities, it's definitely a really special thing to do. From here we're heading back to Yolŋu Radio to reset, and then yeah, straight to the G. I'm definitely a little bit nervous, but nah, we'll make sure it works. It's probably going to be even easier conditions than what we're dealing with here today. I mean, this is proper bush radio here. If you have a look at our setup, our equipment's literally melting to the table, but it's what we do, it's what we're used to doing, so we'll make it work.
Eagle win. Eagle going 15 goals, 8.98. Yolŋu 5 goals, 6.36. 62 points to win. Kangaroo. Eagle store. Yolŋu Yolŋu Radio on 88.9 FM. The Grand Final Mini. Gullywinkle.
Alright, here we go, live in 10 seconds. You guys, I think you've got an announcement for us, eh?
Yo. Rakung kumalan exciting na pura ni mala excited dia announcement ko. Marchi na brabala Melbourne na pura marchi ne uno Dreamtime footy show ne Dreamtime footy game ko na pura marchi. Kau nili ngalito banji yang William do. Yolŋu ko ne broadcasting. Yo ne bukan itu rakung ko ne apa lanya a proud moment. Each nedal opportunity like yung nedal ngalik jalan William go, cause yakan ngalik representing ngalik jalan ngalik pinyang ngalik representing ngalik abuk bak Yolŋu people na beli ngalik Yolŋu kuraben wang on the live winding batalang stage stadium. really excited, eh? This is massive. Like, look at where we are right now. We're at the Marvel Stadium. You can see Willie's excitement. Just can't wait to go in and do this footy show we're gonna do with Nick.
How you going?
Let's go. So we're right here introducing ourselves to the crew of the AFL. You know what I'm saying?
Was it one of the Brizzy Lions game last year?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that was wicked, man. To be able to hear it in language and how you guys, and yeah, man, loved it. And it's so special, brother, and empowering. So
Yeah, definitely.
doing amazing things, brother. 50th game. Take it away, Baykali.
Courtney Golden Dog, I kicked the meter input in goal along Essendon going.
That was so good to be able to do that with Baykali and to be able to hear him speak in language. There were a couple of times when we were recording that I was mesmerised just with the language and how he spoke about it and how fluently. So to be able to see that and hear language on mainstream is, part of an education tool as well, and so beautiful to see. And obviously they're going to be involved in Dreamtime at the G, and they're going to be hanging around me.
Let's go!
Willie's looking too good right now. He's fit into the Melbourne vibe better than I thought he was going to.
Yep, he's gone for it. He don't muck around. He's just gonna go all out. We gotta get one of these in Darwin for sure. We're posing up, eh? Gotta do what we gotta do. Gonna be on the magazine, in every page.
It's been an East Arnhem takeover. It's the Yolŋu Radio crew, King Stingray, Marco Gardamore was playing the Yidaki throughout the whole MCG game. So it's really exciting times. From here, we're heading to Marvel Stadium for an interview with BT. Then we're going to go watch the Carlton Swans game. We can finally sit back and relax.
Muka rada raktungo nervous, but same time rada raktungo excited. Lena ko ngayon nabala commentator gabolay nabala niya yung bermat na ka nakubaman na dapat meet ni kawangan na nukal kuna interview ngay to ga interview nga rin ka William na kulun na pala letyo.
If you're in the game and you're calling the game, you want to quickly see who they play next week, you just go bang, rather than have to look it up on your phone or whatever.
I'm still a bit starstruck. Like, we got to meet Richo, BT, and Bergwijn, my favourite player, was there. It was just, proper stoked. I was like starstruck. I couldn't stop smiling. A good night's sleep and then wake up tomorrow. Got that a commentary at 7 o'clock. So we're going to be broadcasting in Yolŋu tomorrow night. 7:30. Boom, Yolŋu style. Let's go.
The Australian Football League and the Essendon and Richmond football clubs welcome you to the 2022 Dreamtime at the G. The AFL again celebrates the Toyota AFL Sir Doug Nicholls Round and the contribution that Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people have made to our game.
Well, tonight looking forward to hearing the Yolŋu commentary, Elko Island, to the MCG. It is some sort of a distance, 3,016 kilometres, the top of the country, down to this cold MCG where some of the best players in the land will showcase their talents tonight.
Can't believe we're come all the way down from Elko Island and now we're here in Melbourne. Few families, actually a whole lot of them back at Arnhem Land, and I just can't wait for them to hear me and William.
We are half an hour away from going live from the Dreamtime at the G game. The opening ceremony is about to start now and it is all happening. King Sting just performed, which was awesome to see. We just bumped into Baykali's good mate Baker Boy. Luke Darcy's just come in here to rev the boys up before an interview. BT's come in to say good day. Everyone wants a slice of the boys right now. There's a lot happening.
To have you guys come down and call the footy is absolutely incredible, and I know it's a big moment for the boys in the box tonight for a game here at the MCG, calling in front of 80,000 people. It's just spectacular.
To hear First Nations, language calling the footy is amazing, especially for the larger communities at the top end. Them to have their language presented back while footy is on, communicating that way is quite special, and I feel quite envious because where my mob come from, our language is less spoken.
Revolt a hand pass dari Revolt tadi bola dapat jenggal Edwards to kick goal. Spiring
Lele apa tu? These days.
Nah mancing ke gol ya gol. Ya gol na dua. Gol na Revolt na pointin na.
But I think it's extremely important to be able to make sure that we continue and preserve our language and our ceremonies and our culture as well. So to be able to see it on a mainstream is extremely important, and it starts, really good education, conversations and points to be able to move forward, and to be able to actually see that on mainstream and on TV and through the radio, especially not only for our own people, which that would make them extremely proud to be able to hear that, but then also, as I said, for non-Indigenous people to be able to learn about Aboriginal culture.
Well, that was the voice of William Gumbula and Baykali Ganambarr, broadcasters from Northeast Arnhem Land Community radio station Yolŋu Radio, and I've got the great privilege of sitting alongside William and Baykali. First time at the MCG. It's 3,000 kilometres from North Arnhem Land to here at the MCG. Now, Baykali, tell me you do a good Brian Taylor impersonation. You met BT the other night. Now, we know he likes to say boy oh boy wow, where you're broadcasting in your native Yolŋu mother tongue. Can you give us a little bit of BT, your style? Now, you want to be nervous, BT. I'll tell you what, Baykali, he's a rap dancer, he's an aspiring artist, and he's a brilliant caller as well. Let's get back to Hamish.
Thank you, Das. Thank you. Wonderful to see them here at the MCG and seeing them call it Elko Island.
Joe Bettura. Main mark. 32 points to win. Richmond Tiger. 11 goal, 14.80.
Yeah, we've been bumping into so many, big names, big people, and I'm just feel blessed and privileged, It's crazy, loving it.
Amazing, man. Can't believe it's all done. I'm so proud of the guys, they absolutely killed it. And as did the whole team. First thing, the most important thing I should say, is how well these guys did, calling that on Yolŋu Radio to be heard across all of the major homelands in Northeast Arnhem Land. 15 different homelands, and it could be heard nationwide on the AFL app. It was, I don't know. This is a project for the pool room, that's for sure.
Just two Yolŋu boys from Arnhem Land in a remote community coming down MCG and just talking Yolŋu Mata, spreading the love and showing our language and where we're from. And it's not just for us, but also for whole broad wider Australia, to let people know that we still speak our language and we're proud of it and we're here.